China has made substantial contribution to reducing carbon emissions, said Iceland's ambassador to China during an interview at a low-carbon development forum in China's Taiwan.
Well, we have a long-term cooperation. In actual fact, we started 40 years ago when experts from China started coming to Iceland to learn how to use geothermal energy for house heating. But today it has reached a much larger scale, a commercial scale. And we got companies here at the time Fórm that are heavily involved in cooperation here and operation here in China. But also we are bringing in new technology that captures carbon and transforms it into methanol. China is a large country, large population, huge economy, second largest economy in the world. So the contribution of China towards reducing carbon emissions is substantial and very important.
China aims to peak carbon emissions by 2030 and achieve carbon neutrality by 2060.